Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at the YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $6,900 level. We are currently ranked at 245 with a market cap of about $231 million, right? Today we are going to look at the post-halving price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So without further ado, let us push to the chart. We are on the chart right here for Quant versus the USD Theta. We're on the weekly time frame, right? And before we go into the price prediction, just want to remind you that we just completed the Bitcoin halving not too long in April of 20th, and that brings a lot of optimism to the crypto market, and I'll show you why, right? This is the chart for the crypto market from inception in 2010 even to the current day. And throughout that period, we basically have just had just four halvings, right? Four Bitcoin halvings. And as you can see, after every Bitcoin halving, just after some few weeks, we usually see this massive bull run. Same thing in the second halving right here in 2016. After a few weeks, we saw this massive bull run happen. Same thing right here in the third halving. After some few weeks, we saw this massive Bitcoin halving to the upside, right? And currently we have just had the fourth halving, so we should expect some sort of sideways action for some few weeks before we see this sort of massive push to the upside right here for Bitcoin, right? So, or for the crypto market. And so, price prediction wise, what are we expecting right here for YFI, right? If we just draw our Fibonacci price prediction right here for YFI, the Fibonacci price prediction tool has been shown to be one of the most correct technical tools for price prediction right here of crypto assets, right? And so basically the minimum we are expecting is the golden pocket right here, which is the $0.682 level. Take note, I said minimum, right? So this is what we are expecting for YFI. So YFI in the next bull run, the minimum is around the $65,000 level. That could be a massive, about a 10x, right? Yep. We are expecting minimum 800% right here for YFI in the next coming bull run, right? So that is what we are expecting. Minimum, we could go above, mind you, we could go above this figure, but this is the minimum we are expecting according to our Fibonacci price prediction values. So if you like the channel, we usually give you updates on your favorite coins. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.